Welcome to a recorded lecture from the most enlightened leader, L. Ron Spicy. This is an original recording.
Greetings, seekers of enlightenment. I am L. Ron Spicy, and today I am honored to guide you on a journey through the transformative power of spice and its profound impact on your spiritual awakening. In the grand tapestry of existence, there lies a realm of boundless potential, a realm that you are destined to explore and embrace. This realm is illuminated by the extraordinary essence of spice, a gift from the cosmos that holds the key to unlocking your deepest spiritual truths. Spice is not merely a substance, it is a bridge to the divine. It connects us to the very fabric of the universe and reveals the true essence of our being. Through the ancient wisdom embedded in spice, we are given the tools to transcend the limitations of our ordinary consciousness and step into a higher state of awareness. When you immerse yourself in the transformative energy of spice, you begin to perceive the world through new eyes, eyes that see beyond the material and into the realm of the spiritual. You will find that the boundaries between the self and the cosmos begin to dissolve, revealing a profound interconnectedness that binds us all. The journey with spice is a sacred pilgrimage, a path that invites you to explore the depths of your soul and awaken to your true purpose. As you embrace the practice of spice, you will find that it brings clarity to your mind, peace to your heart, and harmony to your spirit. It is through this alignment that you will discover the essence of who you truly are. In the quiet moments of contemplation and the vibrant experiences of transformation, you will come to understand that spirituality is not a distant ideal, but a living, breathing reality. Spice enables you to connect with this reality and experience the divine presence that permeates all of existence. Let us not forget that the path to spiritual enlightenment is one of dedication and openness. As you walk this path, remember to approach each moment with reverence and gratitude. Allow spice to guide you, and you will find that your journey is filled with profound insights and boundless joy. In the embrace of spice, you will uncover the mysteries of the universe and your place within it. You will find that the spiritual light within you grows ever brighter, illuminating the path to your highest self and revealing the infinite potential that lies within. So, dear seekers, I invite you to take this sacred journey with an open heart and a willing spirit. Embrace the power of spice and allow it to guide you to a place of spiritual fulfillment and cosmic harmony. The adventure awaits, and the path is yours to explore. In the pursuit of spiritual growth and self-discovery, we find ourselves at the crossroads of ancient wisdom and modern practice. Yoga, with its timeless teachings and transformative practices, serves as a powerful complement to the principles of Spiceology. By integrating these two paths, we embark on a journey that harmonizes body, mind, and spirit, leading us to a state of profound enlightenment. Yoga, as you may know, is more than just a series of physical postures and breathing exercises. It is a holistic discipline that nurtures the connection between the self and the cosmos. Through yoga, we cultivate awareness, balance, and inner peace, qualities that are essential to our journey with spice. When we incorporate yoga into our Spiceology practice, we create a harmonious synergy that enhances the benefits of both. Here's why this integration is so important: cultivating physical and spiritual alignment. Yoga helps to align the body's energies, creating a balanced and open vessel for the transformative effects of spice. Through the physical postures, asanas, and breathwork, pranayama, we prepare our bodies to receive and integrate the spiritual energy of spice, facilitating a deeper connection with our higher selves. Enhancing mindfulness and presence. The practice of yoga fosters mindfulness and presence, allowing us to fully experience and embrace the transformative journey with spice. By being present in each moment, we deepen our awareness and enhance our ability to perceive the subtle energies and insights that spice reveals. Facilitating inner peace and harmony. Yoga's focus on relaxation and inner peace complements the calming effects of spice. As we practice yoga, we release tension and stress, creating a serene inner environment that amplifies the soothing and enlightening qualities of spice. To integrate yoga into your Spiceology practice, consider the following steps. Begin with intention. Start each yoga session with a clear intention to connect with the transformative energy of spice. Set your purpose and align your practice with your spiritual goals. Practice mindful movement. Engage in yoga postures with mindful awareness, focusing on the flow of energy through your body. Allow each movement to be a dance of harmony, creating space for the effects of spice to manifest. Incorporate breath work. Use breath work to deepen your connection with spice. As you breathe deeply and consciously, visualize the flow of spice energy through your body, enhancing your sense of calm and clarity. Meditate and reflect. Conclude your yoga practice with meditation and reflection. This is the time to integrate the insights and sensations experienced during your practice, allowing the wisdom of spice to permeate your being. In essence, the integration of yoga and Spiceology creates a powerful synergy that enriches our journey toward spiritual enlightenment. By harmonizing our physical, mental, and spiritual dimensions, we open ourselves to the boundless potential that spice offers. So, dear seekers, I encourage you to embrace this harmonious union of yoga and Spiceology. Allow it to guide you on your path of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. As you practice with intention and openness, you will find that the transformative power of spice becomes an even more profound and enriching part of your life. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of yoga and Spiceology. May your practice be filled with grace, insight, and divine harmony.